How to get Astral Luck in Dungeon Burn 2025 Easy Guide. Most people get this wrong, but obtaining Astral Luck in Dungeon Burn 2025 isn't just about grinding endlessly. You won't believe how a few strategic actions can significantly boost your chances. First, focus on completing special quests and events that reward Astral Luck tokens. These often appear in limited time dungeons or seasonal challenges. Prioritize them for maximum gains. Next, equip gear or items that increase luck stats. Some artifacts or potions in-game provide temporary boosts to earn rolls, increasing the likelihood of rare loot drops and astral luck accumulation. Participate in co-op dungeons. Multiplayer runs often reward bonus luck points when bosses are defeated collaboratively. Team coordination enhances efficiency and increases total rewards. Finally, manage in-game daily activities. Completing daily objectives consistently adds incremental luck boosts. Stack these over time for a noticeable effect on your overall astral luck. In conclusion, acquiring astral luck in Dungeon Burn 2025 relies on completing events, using luck-enhancing gear, participating in co-op content, and finishing daily objectives. Strategic gameplay and persistence make all the difference in maximizing your rewards.